Hi everyone! Again, this is Mikala Ambid. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, we're gonna talk about limits. So, limit of a function. So, the function f of x is defined for all values of x near a, but not necessarily at a. If as x approaches a without actually attaining the value of a, f of x approaches the number L, then we say that L is the limit of f of x as x approaches a. And we can write limits x approaches a with the function f of x is equals to L. So if x approaches a from either side of a, f of x goes to either infinity or negative infinity. So the limit as x approaches a of f of x is positive or negative infinity respectively. So the limits x approaches a, so with the function f of x is equals to infinity. So limits x approaches a negative, so the function f of x is equals to infinity also. So since the limit x approaches a with the function f of x equals to the limit x approaches a negative with function f of x, then the limit x approaches a f of x is equals to infinity. So we have an example. So the first example is find the limits x approaches 1 with the function x squared minus 1 all over x plus 1. So to find the limits, so the limits x approaches 1 with the function x squared minus 1 all over x plus 1 is equal to the limit x approaches 1 with the function quantity x minus 1 equals to the value of x is negative 1, then the minus 1, so our limits is equals to negative 2. So example number 2. So find the limit of x approaches 2 with a function 8 minus 3x plus 12x squared. So the limits x approaches 2 with the function 8 minus 3x plus 12x squared, so equals to, so 8 minus 3, then the value of our x is 2, so 8 minus 3 times 2 is equals to 2, so plus 12, then the value of x is 2, then 2 times 2 equals to 4, so 12 times 4 is equals to 48, so 2 plus 48 is equal to 50, so our limits is 50. So example number 3. So the limits t approaches 3, so with the function 6 plus 4t all over t plus 1, so 6 plus 4, so our value of t is 3. So our value of t is 3, so 4 times 3 is 12, so 6 plus 12 is equals to 18. So all over our value of t is 3, so 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So we divided we divided the numerator and denominator by 2, so 18 divided by 2 is equals to 9, then 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2, so our limits is 9 over 2. So example number 4. So the limits x approaches 3 with the function x plus 4 squared, so equals to the limits x approaches 3, so our value of x is 3, then plus the limits x approaches 3 with the function 4 squared, so copy 4 squared, so 3 plus 4 is 7, so 7 times 7 because it squared, so 49. Our limits is 49. So that's all for this lesson. So take a minute to hit the subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification button.